Hi class, this is the homework assignment for section 6.1.4. Today in class we were practicing writing let statements to really clearly identify what the variable was um, for a problem situation, and then using that variable to build expressions that perhaps represent other quantities in the problem. So for this problem 38, it says the perimeter of a triangle is 31 centimeters. So the three sides add up to 31. Sides 1 and 2 have equal length, while side 3 is 1 centimeter shorter than twice the length of side 1. So determine how long each side is by completing parts A through C. So the first one, they are giving us the let statement here. It says, let X represent the length of side 1. And then it says, what essential part of this let statement is missing? One of the things that a let statement should always contain is the units, right? So we should include that it's the length of side 1 expressed in centimeters. And then what is the length of side 2 and side 3? Okay. Um, so if I have this let statement, X is the length of side 1. Well, based on this problem, then I know that the length of side 2 would also be X. So I could just say, hey, side 2 um, would also equal X because we're told that sides 1 and side 2 have equal length. And then for side 3, we're told that it is 1 centimeter shorter than twice the length of side 1. Well, so if side 1 again is X, twice the length of side 1 would be 2X, and 1 centimeter shorter than that would look like this. So 2X minus 1 would be side 3. And if I was going to, put this information perhaps on a diagram, two of my sides are X, and the other one, and this is probably, it probably should be wider down here. This isn't drawn to scale. This side should be 2X minus 1. And I know that if I add these three values up, I should get 31, right? So it says, write a mathematical sentence that states that the sum of the three sides equals the perimeter, which is 31. So we've got side 1, which is X, plus side 2, which is also X, plus side 3, which is 2X minus 1. If I add those three sides together, I get a perimeter of 31 units. And then finally it says solve this equation you found in part B to determine the length of each of the sides. Be sure to label your answer with appropriate units. So remember, everything here is expressed in centimeters. If I simplify the left-hand side of that equation, I have 4x minus 1 equals 31. If I add 1 to each side, I get the 4x is 32, not 3x. 31 plus 1 is 32. 32. Third time's a charm. And if I divide both sides by 4, we should get that x is 8. So x is 8. So if I was to list the length of my sides, right, I've got side 1, side 2, and side 3. Side 1 would be 8 centimeters. Side 2 is also 8 centimeters. And side 3 is going to be twice 8 minus 1, right? 1 less than twice the length of side 1. So that's 16 minus 1, which would be 15 centimeters. So those are the lengths of our three sides, and also the equation and the let statement. That's the end of problem 38.